Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by laying the watch face down on a soft cloth to avoid scratches, then take a small T5 or strap tool and locate the band release. Press and hold the release while sliding the strap straight out, don't wiggle at an angle. Once removed, examine the connectors and watch channel. Debris or bent rails block reinstallation. Make sure pins and adapters are intact, because a damaged connector is the main reason straps fail to seat properly. You align the new straps lug flush with the watch channel so the spring bar or adapter compresses straight in. Misalignment causes binding. Start by inserting one end slightly, then compress the spring bar and guide the other side into place until you hear or feel a click. Once seated, swipe the strap gently to confirm it's secure. If it resists, back out, inspect the spring bar, and clear small debris with a Q-tip. A clean channel ensures reliable engagement every time. You finish by putting the watch on and doing a gentle pull and twist to verify the strap won't detach in normal use. This confirms both mechanical fit and comfort. If the clasp or links need micro-adjusting, remove or add links per the strap type, then recheck. If the strap fails to lock, don't force it. Remove and inspect the spring bar orientation and the channel for small grit. One key troubleshooting tip: a 1 grain of dust can stop the click.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.